Yeah, them bitches, they played them. Tell them that I'm coming, but I leave all them hoes waiting. On her knees, that Voorhees, treat her like I'm Jason.
What's y'all niggas, man? We back at the field. It's cold as shit, hands frozen. Look, he recording, so he think he cute. He over there getting work in. Take Spaz right here.
Fuck, it's cold. God damn.
Let's get it.
It's out like 30 degrees out here, man. We still getting out working as New Year's, man. We still out here, man. How's you, man? Just go follow me on IG, bro. RJK Spaz. New Year's ain't me.
All right, y'all see the drip. I'm coming all red, black TA. It's 2025. Let's get right into it. We get the 2025 racks. We here. The field right here. Nigga put on accessories. He got the towel on.
Yeah, I'm for the fight with him, too.
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about?
It's that DK!
Back up. Hey!
I'm gonna play fire.
There you go. Ah! That's me. Where's you? Hold on.
Good.
Hey! Where's you? Hey! Boy, what's up? Bro, what the fuck, bro? Breathing hard as fuck. Where's you? Hey!
Hi, BQB.
No, you need to record here. Record here.
Yeah, you get to record too. If everybody recording, you're not getting all the files. You can get a few.
No, nigga. Nah, that's you, nigga.
Oh shit! The fuck?
Now you could have caught that. I'm anemic, folks. Y'all shouldn't be cool like this. It's cold as fuck right now, but I'm warmed up. That's what it is.
Hey, where's it? And oh, that's a ball. That's a ball. Go. Motion. Hey. Let's go. Hey, how y'all feeling?
This shit already cooked. It's overly.
I didn't need this.
Oh no! Fuck out of here! Oh my god! Oh shit, snow my butt.
That shit ain't bullshit for real.
Come on, bro. What's good, y'all, man? We back. We gotta make another trip. It's 2025. We on a different type of grind.
Say that. As you been back in this bitch, you know best receiver, best TV, man. Check all city type.
Ready?
He trolling.
Ready? There you go.
Catch.
My man's around me fresh like next year we in temporary. Must stay here outside the spot up shooter to a 10-day. Tried to be heroic, now he Tony Stark in endgame. It ain't shit to say, gon' let my lawyer talk. Spot still banging on the way, you need boy.
Ready?
Told the cops that workers can't employ a boss. Try sips in my glasses, you would think it's Roy's I'm on.
Ready? There you go.
Hey. Okay, this nigga, in my face with the camera.
Good, yeah. Ready? Ready? Good, yeah.
Catch.
Cat pit trying to take. I know some scammers got some jacks built up like some crates.
Ready,
I know another robber.
No fucking way. Look, bro. I can't catch this bitch.
Ready? Ready? There you go.
There we go.
Ready? Let's go.
Oh, that shit's strong. KD.
Hey man, hey record. Just get my little lookout real quick.
Definition of fucking work, y'all.
We out here, man. 20 degrees, cuz. We do this shit, folks.
What you gotta say?
Shit, I feel right here.
What you gotta say, buddy? Yeah.
Hey, folks, today is not the day. I'm just let y'all know that now, folks.
So,
This grind, though. This definition of grind, though.
definition of grind, boy.
Hey, what's your route, cuz?
You just say one today. Huh? You just said it one today.
Boy, this is definition of grind, though.
Exit his part out, bro.
Let me get, look.
It's coming right to you, cuz. Yeah.
Ultimate football.
Oh.
This nigga dropped the This nigga. What the fuck? This nigga a fucking duck, cuz. Oh god.
What's your chest, cuz?
I can just believe after that.
Come back.
Take your gloves off, nigga.
Hold on. Oh, my helmet fell out.
Go.
This nigga did not want to jump for.
You got it?
Ed! Come on. Ed. Oh!
That shit was cooked as fuck.
Nigga.
And I you heard about playing.
Jamara song. I'm throwing that to Jamara song. This nigga ate it.
What's wrong?
You got a cam lock, cuz.
Ready? Ready, go!
That shit was scrapped as fuck.
No, that's it, strap!
Good idea! Good job!
You gotta die for that shit, bro.
Yes, I go.
Nigga dove late as fuck, cuz.
What personal. It's personal. Hey, it's bad. This shit personal.
Hey, tell him what he did last time, fo.
Caught everybody on me last time, fo. Watch this on fo. Merch. Merch. What you doing? Oh, look. Let's go. Let me get a, I'm a ride for my nigga. Hey,
Go. That's a fucking shot.
Alright, well, fuck that. Ready? Back up a little bit.
That's my gloves on. This not getting warm, fo.
Oh.
It's not getting warm? I ain't gonna lie, why don't you ever just charge your phone?
Nigga, my shit was charged. You know how much it takes for a fucking recording?
How much?
Hella.
Let's go.
Fuck off me, bitch. Oh, yeah.
Hey, Psycho. Oh shit.
Just got done with this shit. It's cold as shit.
I had a good New Year's, man.
This shit be good as fuck. Yeah, you make me cold just looking at this thing.
Like I'm my nigga Monty. Me and King quick to pull up with these fucking choppies. We got our blues.